Now, how about these messages? I'm sure some of you have seen them before. These are account shutdown messages. Your ad account's been recently flagged for suspicious or an unusual activity. That's a very, very popular one. You get this nice red bar across the top and it infuriates you. I've seen it a couple times myself. And here's another one, disabled payments in Ad Manager. Next thing you know, you can't make payments for some reason. Your credit card gets banned or your payment method gets banned and now you can't make payments to Facebook, thus you can't run ads at all. How about this? A disabled account because it's inauthentic. It's hard to understand what they would consider inauthentic. But if you're running a fan page for, let's say, an athlete or an entertainer, and they have not verified that page, they might consider it to be inauthentic or not real. Thus, they might shut down the entire page as what you see on the right, which then it will say, sorry, this page isn't available. That is terrible. You could put a bunch of money, time, and effort into building a fan base, and if they ever feel that it's inauthentic to their network, the whole thing could be gone. Have I experienced this before? Absolutely I have. With a page that has been upwards of 50,000 fans. It happens. So how do you make sure that you prevent this from happening? Well, that's why you have these conversations with Facebook support. I'm telling you these things so that you can make sure that before you do something, you can contact Facebook and say, hey, is this okay? You could do that. There's live chat and there's a contact us page. Live chat is usually for advertisers who spend some money, and contact us is available to everybody. There's multiple options to get a hold of someone at Facebook.